Hey, beautiful souls. I pray that you all are having a blessed day so far. Happy Easter from our family to yours. Today we have a Jamaican fish fry feast with a twist. So we have a whole fish fried. We're using tilapia today. We have deviled eggs with shrimp on top. We have homemade cocoa bread fried plantain, cheddar bay biscuit. It's not really a biscuit. It's really dumpling style but baked in the oven. Corn, fried dumpling, and collard greens and callaloo. Let's get into this recipe. Let's get into this feast. So here I have the tilapia. I already had it soaking overnight. Whoa. Excuse me. I already had it soaking overnight in salt water. So now I'm just going ahead and cleaning it and scoring it. So I'm cleaning out the insides, giving it scoring on both sides, just like so. Now, on this channel, you guys have probably seen me fried fish a million times. Like I've said before, it's one of my favorite things to make and eat. Now, here we're wrapping the fish to dry them out so that we get a more crispier exterior when frying it in the oil. I don't always do this, but I did it for this fish fry. And then let's get into the cheddar bay biscuits. Now, I'll leave all the ingredients in the description box for you. And these are not biscuits. I keep saying biscuits, but it's cheddar bay baked dumplings. I need to get it together. Anyway, so what you're going to do in a large bowl, whisk together flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, sugar, garlic powder, paprika, parsley, and thyme. Then you're going to add butter. You want to use your fingertips to, get it nice and coarse throughout the flour. Add your cheese. I used coconut milk. And then I'm going to just go ahead and keep forming my dough, adding a little bit of coconut milk at a time. These were super good, super good. I low-key wanted to fry them, but I said, I'm already making fried fish, fried plantain, fried dumplings. So I said, let me pop these in the oven instead. I will try it again, though, fried, and see which I like more. So anyway, I'm basting it with melted butter and coconut milk. And then we're going to pop this in the oven. And then now we're going to get into making these fried plantains. So I'm just taking the skin off the plantain. Then we're just going to cut them up. Fry them on both sides for about 2 minutes. Real simple. And I like to do double fry on my plantain. So we're going to fry it. And once we fry it and, turn it over, get it a little brown on both sides, we're going to smash it. I'm going ahead and I'm adding more, basting the cheddar bay dumplings with more butter and coconut milk, and then adding some cheese on top, popping it back into the oven. And look how these came out. The crispy, cheesy edges. Oh my goodness. So good. So good. These were fluffy. They were really, really delicious. Like you could taste the thyme. You could taste the parsley. You could taste the cheese. It was a match made in heaven. Very, very, very good. So see, I'm here smashing the plantain up to then go ahead and give it the second fry. And then again, about 1 minute to 2 minutes per side on medium heat. Add some seasonings. I just added the Sazon Tropical. That's all I added to this. And boom, bada boom. That's it. That's all. This has in it minced garlic, cilantro, parsley, lemon juice, and thyme. And oregano. Added in allspice, black pepper, paprika, onion powder. Got some Sazon Tropical seasoning. So we're going to go ahead and blend this on up. All right, and that's going to be the marinade for the fish. Now here we have some red onions and garlic sauteed in a pan on medium heat. And I've added in the callaloo, collard greens, giving it some seasoning. I added Sazon Tropical. I remember adding some allspice, some black pepper. Kept the greens real simple. I've been loving buying these canned greens. I cook so much that it really just helps with the timing. So here are some fried dumplings that I made. And at this point, I was losing memory on my phone. I had to go and delete a whole bunch of stuff. So again, the fried dumplings and everything else, like the cheddar bay baked dumplings, that will be in the description box for you, the recipe. And then here for the deviled eggs, I actually put my eggs in the air fryer on 300 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then I put them in an ice bath, ice and cold water, and it comes out great every time. So anyway, you're going to remove the yolk, add it to a pan, add dill, mayo, mustard, lemon juice, and any seasonings that you like. Go ahead and give that a mix. You want it to be nice and creamy, which it was. Y'all, this was so good. I haven't had deviled eggs in a long time. And me and Lexi was feeling for eggs. And I said, ooh, I want deviled eggs with shrimp on top. And so that's what I made. Deviled eggs with shrimp on top. So you go ahead and stuff in your whites, your egg whites with the yolk mixture. Top it off with your shrimp. I added some chopped parsley and red pepper flakes. And these were bomb.com. Such a good addition. Obviously not traditional to a Jamaican feast. I like to do my own thing, okay? Own thing. So here I am adding the marinade that I made to the fish. You're going to go ahead and add that in all the scoring, add it in the inside of the fish, and then you're going to fry it. You want your oil to be hot so that your fish come out nice and brown like this. Voila. Looks amazing. Tasted amazing. I love marinating the fish. I also like doing a dry rub. It just depends on what I'm feeling that day. And yeah, y'all, this came out so good. And then there you see the peppers and onions. I'll leave a recipe for that in the description box as well. And I just made some corn, popped the corn in the air fryer. Literally, then I just tossed it in the marinade. That's all I did. That's literally all I did. And then the homemade cocoa bread, you'll see that in another video, how to make the homemade cocoa bread. So please stay tuned. God bless and peace.